Hello, I'm Lena Zagmori, and in this video I will be providing an overview of the Academic Search Complete database, including its purpose and some of the features that will be most helpful when you research. Before going into Academic Search Complete, I'm going to explain what a scholarly database is. It's a repository of work published by experts in the field, and every scholarly text must go through a rigorous peer review process before it is published in a journal and then indexed in a database like Academic Search Complete. The purpose of indexing scholarly work in a database is so that when you research, you have more confidence that the information has been vetted by other experts, so it's more reliable. So, Academic Search Complete is one of these scholarly databases, and while many types of databases are specialized for a particular field or subject, Academic Search Complete is designed to provide general scholarly information for multiple disciplines. It's available only through subscription, so that's why you have to access it through the King Library website and log in with your SJSU credentials. That process verifies that you are a student. So what kind of materials does ACS have? As I said before, ACS has a wide range of academic subjects included. So if you're doing some introductory research on a popular topic like gun control or restrictions on marijuana legalization, this is an ideal database for finding scholarly work. Most people use the peer-reviewed journals, but ACS also has newspapers and reviews. Those are commonly used but not as popular as articles. The database has materials that date back to 1887, so there is a lot at your disposal here. Academic Search Complete has access to more than 6,000 journals and magazines, and nearly all of them, about 5,700, are peer-reviewed, so that material can be used for academic research. So who uses Academic Search Complete? It's usually those who are relatively new to using scholarly databases, like college freshmen or even high school students. Many public libraries, in addition to nearly all academic libraries, have a subscription to ACS. The Academic Search Complete format is designed to be easy to use for those who are less familiar with scholarly databases. This is true for nearly all EBSCO databases. It has a basic search function, which is a keyword search, and the advanced search, which allows you to choose specific fields to search. The advanced search is the default page when you access Academic Search Complete through the King Library website. If you have a more specific idea of what you would like to find, it is best to use the advanced search. While there are several different fields that you can choose to search, the most common are subject, title, and author. It starts you off with the option to search in 3 different fields, but you can add additional fields by clicking on the plus sign that is at the bottom of the 3rd field. You can also choose the relationship among different fields like and, or, not. How to use these connecting words will be explained in more depth in the advanced search demonstration. Both the basic and advanced search functions allow you to pick a series of options, such as only bringing up scholarly peer-reviewed journal information or searching for material that was published before or after a certain time period. These will help you come up with more relevant and precise results. These features can also be applied after you do a complete search and you see that you have too many or lots of irrelevant articles. Academic Search Complete also has several other tools that can help you with your research. The most prominent one is the thesaurus, which is labeled subject terms in the upper left-hand side. This is useful because often the way indexing languages that scholarly databases employ is very particular, but the thesaurus allows you to put the search term that first comes to mind when you want to do your research and find the term that will retrieve the results you want. Also, there are other time-saving and efficiency tools at your disposal once you have search results. If you see a result that you're interested in and would like additional information, you do not have to click on the blue link and go to a different page. You have the option to click on the paper with a magnifying glass. There you can see an abstract, if one is available, and any other item information made available to Academic Search Complete. You can also save sources to a folder if you create a separate EBSCO account, and you can access these saved items at any time. You can also email items to any address you choose. The database also has a built-in citation generator on the right-hand side under Cite, including AMA, APA, MLA, and Chicago Turabian. The citation must be checked for accuracy, as it is common for the citation generator to have small errors in formatting. So that's all for this introduction to Academic Search Complete, and I hope you check out the videos on basic searching and advanced searching in this database.